Hi, my name is Rohan Ghotra. I am 17 and a senior at Syosset High School. My project is titled Uncovering Motif Interactions from Convolutional Attention Networks for Regulatory Genomics. Here's a brief overview of what I worked on. Our ability to treat genetic disorders like Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, and even cancer is limited by our understanding of the DNA, meaning if we can figure out what the mutations are and how they cause these specific disorders, we might be able to treat them through genetic engineering techniques. But the problem is we have a very limited understanding of the DNA, and so what we often use is artificial intelligence or deep learning models for genomic analysis tasks because they have very high performance. But the issue here is we don't really understand how they work. What's the reason for their success? And this is particularly important because these models have figured it out. As demonstrated by their high performance, they've cracked the code. They understand how the DNA works. And so if we can pull information out of them and interpret them, we can help our own understanding of the DNA, which is important for treatment of genetic disorders. And so in my study, I investigated how the interpretability or how easily information can be extracted from deep learning models can be manipulated or can be improved by manipulating the design choices that we make when we construct them. I also developed a novel computational tool that I call GlyFac that can be used to obtain specific information or protein interactions between proteins that bind to the DNA from a specific type of deep learning model called the convolutional attention neural network. Outside of research, I enjoyed playing badminton. When COVID first began and we were in quarantine, my family and I spent a lot of time playing outside. It was always so much fun. I also enjoy playing with my dog Simba. He's a German Shepherd. He loves outdoors as well. It's always so much fun. After school, I often spend a lot of time at the robotics club. I enjoy working on the robot with building and programming. One more thing that I like to do is I like to play basketball with my friends in the summer. I'm not very good at it, but it's always still so much fun to just hang out and be able to, play. And finally, this fall, I will be enrolling at Columbia University, where I'll be studying biochemistry. And in the future, I would like to obtain a degree in medicine, and hopefully I'll be able to practice while also conducting research in a field similar to what I worked on here in Regeneron, which would be bioinformatics or biomedical engineering.